3 years ago, I had a lot of money in my bank account, but I had no friends. Then I got myself a BMW. Now I don't have any more money and I still don't have any friends.
It's a dad car, right?
Jokes aside, I've met a lot of great friends by owning this car. The community around BMWs and these cars here is amazing, and everyone is very supportive, and we all go out for drives. We share our opinion about mod. It feels like a family every time, and that's one thing that I really enjoy about owning a BMW.
Okay guys, so you weren't expecting me here, but I'm here to make my point about what I love about this car. Actually, I love BMWs to argue with the people who loves Mercedes, because I hate Mercedes and I really enjoy arguing with them about the horsepower, about the price, about the cornering, anything. So especially about this car, the thing that I love about it is that the seats are really comfortable and you don't get backache. You don't get car sick in this car at all. Like, we traveled to Penang last year and we were in the car for like 6 hours, 5 hours, and I usually get car sick really easily. But in this car you don't get car sick, you don't get headache, you don't get backache because of the seats. They designed to be comfortable. And why is that comfortable? Because of the suspension, because of the seats, because of the wind management they did with the windows. It handles the road really cool.
It's a 5 Series.
It's a dad car, right? And one more thing I really like about this car is that when I speed in this car, I am not scared at all.
Oh, hey. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe.
And turn the notification bell on.
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
I get out now?
No,
Bye.
not yet.
Close it, close
Back to the next scene.
Okay, give me a second. Oh. The thing that I like most about this car is when you're speeding up, this car doesn't scream. Instead, it says, "Give me more." And you can just feel it because you're inside the car. This car is not meant to be kept in a cage. Instead, it needs to be flying on the road.
And the trunk is really spacious.
Oh yeah, the trunk is very big. Good job.
Okay, the second thing I absolutely love about this car, especially nowadays, is that it's a diesel. All you guys complaining about gas prices going up, and I don't have to worry about that. Still the same price. Diesel is more efficient than petrol and it's more reliable. And even though it sounds like a truck, you guys can tell me whether you want to pay less for fuel and repairs or you want it to sound cool. I want it to sound cool.
Hey guys, if they don't open the trunk right, I'm going inside. If they don't open, call the police, okay? What happened? Don't close it. Don't close.
Hold it with your hand.
Okay.
Okay.